In this video, you're going to learn about Canvas ads, a new ad format that is very flexible and customizable. We'll start by understanding what a Canvas ad is and the benefits of it. Then you will learn for which ad objectives this ad format is available. Once again, it's not really suitable or available for every type of Facebook campaign. We will then look at a case study so you can understand how this new ad format fits in to a wider Facebook ad campaign. We will then look at how you can create these canvases because it's a little bit different than just uploading a video or an image. And then finally, we'll finish up once again in the Ads Create tool so you know how to set up a campaign using this ad format. So let's start really by understanding what these Canvas ads are. As the name suggests, it just gives you a blank canvas in order to create your ad. And let's scroll down straight away to really have a look at an example down here. So if we come down a little bit further, we can start to get an idea of it here, and I'll just play this video. So what you can see here is that this company, a bath company, has started to build a collection. It looks a little bit like Snapchat. If you're familiar with how Snapchat works, you can scroll down, you can scroll across, there's videos involved. It's quite an immersive type of advertisement, very flexible. And the idea is that you can completely customize this for yourself. You can see now it's coming down into products. There's a buy now button. You can customize all of that stuff yourself. So it's just a very flexible ad format, which can ultimately end up on the e-commerce site like we see here, but it definitely is looking a little bit like Snapchat. So I think anybody who's very familiar with Snapchat, creating content there, to create a Canvas ad is going to be very simple for you. For people like me, a little bit older, who aren't as good on Snapchat or don't even use it, this is going to be a bit more of a learning curve to get this right. But that's essentially what it looks like. It's a very flexible ad format. Now, coming up to the Facebook ads guide, let's understand what objectives you can use this ad format for, because once again, it's not available for everything, or it's not suitable for everything right now. Right now in the Facebook ads guide, where we can see it is available is for brand awareness. So you can see here that the Canvas ad is available. For app installs, it's not. But this might change over time, so the best place to come and see this is in the ads guide. It's available for brand awareness. It's available for clicks to website. You can see it here. Not available for any of these here. Store visits, let's see if it's available here, not yet. And we can see for video views, I think it is available, yeah. And also website conversions. So if you are thinking of using this ad format, be sure to come into the ads guide first. Just type in Facebook ads guide into Google and really check if it is available. Now let's have a look at a case study to see how companies are actually using this ad format and how it fits in to a bigger campaign. So what we have here is Dykman, Poland. What they do is they run a family-run footwear business, and they use this new ad format to create a highly successful brand awareness campaign. So that was the objective for their campaign. So here are some of the metrics that what you would associate with a brand awareness campaign. 25-point increase in ad recall. So there's some metrics and tests that they do around that for brand awareness. 7-point increase in favorability, and 3-point increase in attribute rating. So those are all metrics really for brand awareness. You may not be totally familiar with them, but the bottom line is it was a big success. So I think let's look down at some of the details to really see how that they used this. So what they did was they featured this girl here who's a famous singer and fashion blogger in Poland, and she picked out different shoes from a new range that would be suitable to show in this Canvas ad. Now here's the interesting part, that they used the Canvas ad really as a part of a bigger campaign. They still use photo carousel video ads along with this new Canvas ad format, which really allowed people to explore, engage with the full range. So again, it's a little bit like the collection ads that we've seen previously. It's a bit more about storytelling and engagement, and definitely drifting towards the new way that people are interacting with social media like Snapchat, etc. So the key takeaway here is that it was part of a bigger campaign, but it does involve all of these other elements as well, and is a little bit similar to the collection campaign. Now, where can you get started with this? Well, the first thing that you can do is come into your Facebook page. You're going to see here on the final tab here, publishing tools. Any admin to a Facebook page will be able to see this. And you can see down here that there is Canvas here, and you can click on create. So instead of diving into the ads create tool, it's probably best to start here to create your canvas, and then in your ads create tool, just select it. So you can see that you can take a tour to understand this better. You can just open a blank canvas. There is a link to examples, but there's not many there yet. Let's have an explore of some of the layouts here. So single screen, put together a canvas that complements the message in your ad, storytelling, and full screen media. So let's have a look at this one here. This will start to load up hopefully, and you can use it to really use the guide. Maybe let's just start with an open canvas. So you can see you can put in a button, carousel, photo, product set once your product catalog is uploaded, and video. So let's just put in a video, and see you can continue to add components as people scroll down, scroll left, scroll right, etc. So I won't go through all the details of setting it up, but once you have got a canvas created, all you need to do in your ads create tool is select the appropriate objectives. So for example, let's just select the traffic campaign objective. Once again, the ad set is as you've learned how to set up already, the audience placements, budget, and schedule. We've covered that before. Where there is a difference now is down at the ad level, and you can see the canvas ad format showing up. What you can do then is select a canvas. So that's why I was recommending you build one first outside of the ads tool, and then you can come down and select it here. It brings you up to the same screen, but it's maybe just easier to keep focused on one thing. Build the creative first, and then you can just simply add it in from there. So now that you understand what canvas ads are, the marketing objectives that you can use them for, and understand how they're so flexible and customizable, come into the publishing tools of your Facebook page and mess around with creating one for yourself to get more familiar with this new ad format.